and today is SheModern Saturday. This week we're having a little haul video. I made a purchase off SheModern.com. So we are going to dive in, see what I got. Move the stuffing. We have got a jelly clear sticky gel glue. Okay. Move this out here. Clear jelly no wipe top satin. Let me open these babies up. Really easy to open. Got the little slip thing at the bottom. Just grab it and peel it off. Sorry about the noise. Sorry. Just trying to open them up. So here we have got clear, jelly clear, sticky gel glue. So I take it she's not having a sense of glue anymore. It'll just be this. She does have the different colored sticky glues. I do have a couple. I've not used them yet. Clear jelly, no wipe, gel satin. This will leave a satin finish on your products. So let me put those up here. And let's dive in. We have got clear sealer matte water-based polish. Okay. I did not order that. There are PR items in here. Let me open this one so I can read it properly. This says jelly, neon, lime, watercolor. Sorry about that. Jelly, neon, fuchsia water paint. So we got two jellies right here. Two jelly neons. This one is an opaque white stamping polish. This is a white opaque sticky. Trying to keep all these in frame, but I got different things here. Pearl red stamping polish. This I ordered the pearls. So trying to keep these in frame though. So we have got the silver, metallic silver stamping sticky polish. I ordered that. Pearl green stamping polish sticky. I ordered that. Oh, look at this one. The peacock sticky stamping polish. Ordered this. So these four I ordered. And I want to say the clear jelly satin no wipe I ordered. I'm not positive. This is the opaque black sticky stamping polish. So these four here I ordered. Move these down here a little bit. These are all PR items from Tina from SheModern.com. I am a brand ambassador for her company. Excuse me, I'm parched. 1 minute, please. I am a type 2 diabetic. I'm non-insulin dependent, but when I talk a lot, I get parched really easy. So the pearls I ordered, Tina sent the neons, which cannot wait to play with those. Okay, those are neons. This is an opaque black. And this one here, I want to open this. This says clear sealer matte water-based polish. I'm a little confused on this one. Hold for one momento while I dig through my goodies. Because I have a mat. Okay, mine says clear jelly matte, so that's not the same thing. I wanted to be sure these were different. This is a sealer, so I gotta touch base with Tina to find out about this product, so I want to be sure how I use it. Then you have got two opaque, a white sticky stamping pouch. This is an opaque. We have an opaque black sticky stamping pouch, which is really cool. We have got the neon lime and neon fuchsia. Oh, I'm not even in frame. I'm terribly sorry. Those are the colors. She has got the color dots on the top of the bottle, so you know what they're going to look like. So I'm excited about these. Also, where did I put it? Ta-da! I did order the transfer foils from SheModern. I cannot wait to play with these. Cannot wait. They are over 60 stamping images or sticky glue gel. I do not know how many sheets are in here. Ooh, there's all kinds of hollow. Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. Hello. Sorry, that's something with me and Nail Crazy Mama's little girl. She likes hello. We got some colored sheets up here in the front, then it goes back to hello. Cannot wait to play with these. So I'm going to keep these in the sleeve it came in. Keep these protected. There, so yes, order these. When you are using your stamping polishes and especially your stickies, you can do this with the foil and it will transfer over your image. Beautiful, beautiful product. Cannot wait to play with these. I'm not set up to do so now or do any demos. I just wanted to show you what I got. I do want to use, this is sticky. This is the other one I got is a Jelly Clear No White Gel Satin. So I want to take a nail that is previously done. This is done in the glossy I did for Halloween. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous purple. I don't know if you can see all the little beautifulness in here. Let me see. It's a beautiful top, or a beautiful purple color though. So I'm going to put the satin over top here and I will cure it for 30 seconds so we can check this out. So I'm going to stick this in the lamp, give this a, shoot, my nail tipped over, give this a full cure, and we'll see what it's all about. So I've got these two of those in frame now, yes they are. Move these over, here are the 4 pearls. Can't wait to check these out. If you look closely on the bottles, there is a little perforated on the back where you can just peel right off, open the package up. I know that sounds horrible on camera. Can't wait to use those. I got the red and the green specifically and the silver for Christmas. The peacock, I think, is just going to be a beautiful, beautiful stamping polish. Like, if you have a peacock image to stamp, I think that would be great. So go check out SheModern.com. She's got a catalog now that you can go and thumb through. Check her out. She's got a lot of beautiful products now. She has revamped her whole entire system. They've got jelly top coats. They've got, oh God, what are they called? The colored glue gels. They got the pearls, the opaque stickies now. They've got the neon stamping polishes. Oh, these are watercolors. I'm sorry. Neon watercolors. Can't wait to use these for Christmas. But here is the Satin Top Coat. It looks like it's got a little mark here in the center. I think this turned out really nice. So the satin finish on it compared to this was a glossy satin. What do you think? This was the glossy here. This has got the satin finish, and it does not feel like a glossy. So check that out. Check out her top coats, her nail foil glues. She's got a foil sealer for when you use the foils. I do not have that. That's what made me confused about this one here, where it's a sealer. Clear, matte, water polish. That's why I'm a little confused on this one. So this one I gotta check with Tina about, just to make sure of what products I have. So, this is the end of our video. These are the end of my goodies for today for my SheModern haul and my unboxing. Stay tuned next week for some stamping. We'll get into playing with our new goodies. Oh yes, here are my fall nails. That's as far as I've gotten. No nail art yet. I got the one hand painted, but not the other. Yeah, I still do the right hand. That's okay. That'd be okay. But leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my goodies. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know you liked what you saw. I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps with my algorithm. Lets me know you like the content you're seeing. I know this video is a little long for an unboxing, but hopefully I can edit some out. But leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways. I'm going to have one coming up here soon, so stay tuned for that. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.